What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're gonna do an unboxing video today. The folks at Taotronics were nice enough to send me this free air fryer. It's a 6-quart air fryer. So we're gonna give it an unboxing, and we're gonna also give it a try with some waffle fries and see how they turn out. So let's go ahead and get it open and see what we got in here. So it looks like we have some kind of packet there, which is probably instruction manual. Let's see if I can get this. There's the air fryer. Looks like a nice size. 6 quarts should be pretty good space. So it's got, first thing I noticed in the back, it's got a little wrap around, so if you have too much cord, you can wrap it, store it nicely there. To shorten it, nice little clip, thoughtful. Then the front, it's got a pull-out tray. I guess you pull this back. Oh wait, I gotta get the tape off, duh. Remove the tape on both sides. Looks really sleek, very modern looking. Pretty sure this one has like a digital or analog display on it. Alright, so here is the basket. It's got a little release thing here that exposes a press button, and then you just lift it up and it comes out. Now, if you want to, the reason why it has that other little piece of plastic there is so when you pick it up, you don't accidentally press it and then the basket goes everywhere. So I was pretty thoughtful with the little safety, little clear safety. You just slide it, and then you press it, and then you can slide it out. Now this basket is non-stick, which is I really like. My old air fryer came with like stainless steel trays, and it was a pain to get it clean because all the stuff always stuck to it, and that was a real pain. So this is really nice that it has that. And just slide it in. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Take off some of these stickers, and these are like warnings, kind of letting you know, there's tape in there. Don't turn it on. And then there's some warnings up top, that, letting you know don't put oil in here. This is not a fryer later. So we're just going to take these stickers off. It's just kind of like warning stickers that it comes with. The unit's really nice looking. It looks really modern and sleek. I like how it's like black, and it's just very sleek looking. Alright, so that's turned on. I'm going to put this basket in it. Just want to show you guys the display. Hit the power button. And it has pre-adjusted temperatures and times for different foods. Like you got French fries, you have steak, bacon, defrost, you got bread, I guess you can make in this, chicken, cake, veggies. Fish, and then you also have like a preheat function. Let me see what that does. And it just gives you like the minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and see. So you can do 400 temperature, and it's like you can set it up like that. And I guess this is the button. It's set up for 3 minutes. You can go up in the minutes. Right now it's running for 9 minutes at 370 degrees. You just hit this button here to activate it and lock that in. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off, and we're going to try some waffle fries in it. We're just going to hit the the French fry function, and see what that gives us and see how they come out and taste them. I forgot to show you the booklet that it comes with, and I'm going to guess that this is the user manual, and here we have like a thank you for support, the warranty, everything else. 18-month warranty extension, 60-day free return, support. It has their email, all of that information in there, the Twitter and Instagram and Facebook. Then it comes with a really nice recipe cookbook in color, very nice. All the numbers and everything are highlighted, so really stand out. Wow, this is like a really nice recipe book. I really like it, and very colorful. It has breakfast, desserts, sides, appetizers, and entrees. So it's set up really nice, super colorful, very beautiful, and that's what it comes with. And then this one is the quick start guide. So it comes with all of that inside the packet, very nicely done. So let's see what this thing can do. Stick some waffle fries in it. All right, so we're gonna use some waffle fries, and these are from Sam's Club. And what I'm gonna do is I'm basically just gonna keep, I'm gonna use their standard recommendation preset. Put them in the basket, and you guys can see this basket is really big. This is 1 pound of waffle fries, so it's a good amount, and it's just barely half full. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. I'm gonna hit the power button, and then right here you can scroll through the presets. The first one is French fries, and it's 15 minutes at 400 degrees. So we're gonna try that one. After like 7 minutes, I'm gonna check it just to see what it looks like. And this is the play button right there, which starts the process. Right now, there's a timer on it, nice and clear display, 15 minutes at 400 degrees. So like in 7 to 8 minutes, we'll come back and we'll see how far along it's gotten. The unit is very quiet. As you can hear, you can't even hear anything. So that's really nice. My other air fryer was extremely loud, and it actually vibrated and rattled when I was using it sometimes. So that's great that it's also very quiet, very sleek. It fits really nice on the countertop. It doesn't look crazy or out of place. So I'm very happy with the way the unit looks. We'll just see how it cooks in a few minutes. Alright, so it's been about 8 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead. Wow. It smells like fries in here. You guys can hear that. It sounds like you're frying food, but we're not deep frying anything here. So they smell amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and put them right back in and restart the machine. Oh, it restarted itself, didn't even have to restart it. So we'll come back when they're done and give them a taste for you guys, let you know how it came out. Alright, so it just stopped at the 14 minutes, and look how beautiful these look. And they sound super crunchy. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in a mixing bowl and just add some of my chili salt. Listen to that, y'all. How amazing do those look? And that was on their preset for fries. These are actually waffle fries, and it still cooked them perfectly. I'm gonna add a little bit of my smoked chili salt and let them cool a little bit. Just toss them around. Listen to how crunchy these sound. Amazing job. They look great. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a taste and see what they come out like. Wow. These are cooked absolutely perfectly. Super golden, as you can see. Show you some of the other ones. Look at how nice. Brown, perfectly even. Amazing job. The Taotronics Air Fryer has delivered on its first try. I'm going to be using this all the time to do air fryer recipes from now on, so you guys will be seeing it on my channel a lot more. I'm going to provide a link where to buy it below if you guys want to order one for yourselves. I like it a lot better than my old air fryer. Like I said, it's quiet, it's beautiful, it's sleek, and it does an amazing job cooking French fries. I will also try to get you guys a discount code if I can. Look in the comments or in the video description for a discount code, and also the link where to purchase this amazing air fryer.